Hello, students. This time we're going to go over the comprehension quiz. But before we do that, make sure that you are reading pages 19, 20, and 21. You can skip page 22. But when you're reading, make sure that you're annotating. You can underline problems that the author says girls face, and you have to circle and label any text structures or relationships between ideas, such as cause and effect, problem and solution, compare and contrast. Okay. After you read the article, make sure you go down to page 23 and you're going to answer these 5 questions. These are worth a lot of points. Now, I'm going to give you the last 2 just to make sure you're doing it right. So let's go over number 4. Which of the following is a reasonable interpretation of the result of the tracing task experiment? The answer would be B. Right here, so you can just mark B. In fact, let's get a bigger marker. You can just mark B, or you can just type the letter B right next to it. Let's put it on this side of the page, right underneath the number. You can just put B. Girls whose parents positively encourage them persist with the task, ultimately develop healthier friendships. Number 5. Which of the following is the most likely reason the author opened the article with 2 paragraphs about a long-term friendship in her town? The answer is D. To demonstrate that many girls can grow into and then out of meanness. So make sure you either mark it or you put the letter right underneath the number. Now, you are responsible for finding the answers to 1, 2, and 3. This one, 4 and 5, I gave to you just to help you out, just so that you can see it's not that difficult, and you'll find them. As long as you're reading, you'll find these answers. That's it for now. If you're having any problems or you have any questions, you can leave a private comment, text me, or email me.